In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana tutorial for beginners. We'll walk through logging in, exploring your projects, and using the core views, list, board, and calendar, so you can organize work with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This is a quick, secure way to authenticate without typing a password on Asana. If you're prompted to select an account, click the Google account that's connected to your team's Asana workspace. After a moment, you'll land on your Asana home. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Projects. This area shows all the projects you're part of, and it's also where you can create new ones when you're ready. Think of a project as a container for related tasks, like a product launch, a hiring pipeline, or a client engagement. Go ahead and click a project from the list to open it. Inside a project, Asana offers multiple views, so you can choose the best way to work. First, switch to the list view. Here, tasks are organized in a clean table. You can scan key details at a glance, including the assignee, due date, and any custom fields your team uses, such as priority or effort. Use the Add Task button whenever you need to capture new work. Keep task names action-oriented, assign an owner, and set a due date so nothing slips through the cracks. Those essentials make the list readable and help the team understand expectations at a glance. Now move to the board view. This shows your work in a Kanban-style layout with columns that represent stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. It's perfect for visual workflows and stand-ups. To update progress, simply drag and drop a task card from one column to another. This keeps everyone aligned on status without extra meetings or messages. Finally, open the calendar view. This lays out your tasks by date, giving you a clear picture of upcoming deadlines and potential bottlenecks. It's great for planning capacity and spotting conflicts early. If you notice a crowded day, consider moving less urgent items to balance the week. That's it. You've logged in, opened your projects, and used list, board, and calendar to manage tasks effectively. Practice switching views as your needs change, and you'll be working smarter in Asana in no time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps as you practice.